Tough Dog's award-winning foam cell shock absorbers are built for optimum all-round performance. Whether your tracks take you off-road for a weekend or on the trip of a lifetime, Tough Dog foam cell shocks will get you there and back again every time. But what exactly is a Tough Dog foam cell shock absorber, and how does it work? The shock is a twin-tube construction, which means inside there is an outer reservoir tube and an inner pressure tube filled with oil. As the piston moves up and down inside the pressure tube, oil is forced through the piston head and the foot valve. The foot valve controls the flow of oil through the base of the shock between the inner and outer tubes. The key, though, is the foam cell piece situated between the inner and outer tubes. Cavitation, or bubbles in the oil, and heat are the undoing of any shock absorber. When a non-foam cell shock absorber moves quickly over rough corrugations, the oil and gas in the shock can start to mix and form bubbles, lowering the viscosity of the oil. When this aerated oil passes through the foot valve, there is reduced resistance, stopping the shock from performing correctly. This is also called shock fade. The key difference with foam cell technology is that the gas is trapped in microcells within the foam, meaning that the oil and gas cannot mix together, giving the foam cell shock superior stamina in rough conditions. Heat is combated by the huge 41mm internal bore and 60mm external bore, allowing for greater oil capacity and surface area for heat dissipation. Tough Dog have a huge range to suit every application. If you want to know more, head to www.toughdog.com.au or visit your local Tough Dog dealer.